Hi guys, welcome to JAHISLA'S World. Today we're going to be talking about Donald Trump. Now first, start now. So Donald Trump updated the president signed order to eliminate education independence. Okay, now let's type that up. That is very bad, Donald Trump. Let's search that. Okay. My phone almost fell. Gotta read it. Gotta read this. Doop. The United States President Donald Trump has signed an order to begin. We are to shut it down. And shut it down as quickly as possible, saying it is robbing our child. That is so horrible. Gotta read notes. I'm so excited. Oh. No, I didn't mean to say that. Let's just search it again. Got it. Perfect as possible. Bad comments. I should not talk about Donald Trump. Stop. Let's stop for a second.
We're going to be returning education very simply back to the states where it belongs, and this is a very popular thing to do, but much more importantly, it's a common sense thing to do, and it's going to work. Absolutely, it's going to work, and I can tell you from dealing with the governors and others in the state, they want it so badly. They want to take their children back and really teach their children individually. Probably the cost will be half, and the education will be maybe many, many times better. So we look forward to this.